The best waterproofing solution for bathroom, balcony, water tank, rooftop, and swimming pool. Waterproof with confidence. Duraflex 100.
Remove all dust and loose particles. Clean the surface with clean water and keep it as surface saturated dry condition without any stagnated water. Remove either concrete or mortar at perimeter of pipes and protrusions. Seal the perimeter of pipes and protrusions by applying of pre-mixed non-shrink construction grout FlexSem GP. Cast the angle fillets along the joint between wall and floor by using FlexSem GP. After casting of angle fillets and sealing the perimeter of pipes and protrusions, mix Duraflex 100 liquid part A, with powder part B, with the help of low-speed paddle mixer. Stand for 4 to 5 minutes after mixing to release air from the mix. Apply a coat at 150 mm height at the angle fillet and around pipes and protrusions in one direction. Apply fiberglass felt on the angle fillet and the perimeter of pipes and protrusions before waterproofing coating dries. Apply first coat of Duraflex 100 in one direction. Leave it to dry, or 8 to 12 hours. Apply second coat of Duraflex 100, perpendicular direction to the first coat. Leave it to cure for period of 24 hours. Conduct a visual inspection before testing of water tightness, pond test. Fill the water to conduct the pond test and leave it for minimum 48 hours. Have a visual check underneath the slab to make sure there are no either water leaks or damp patches.